Everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss about some theory of SQL. So difference in time taken. So we'll cover referential and data. These are the topics today we'll cover in this video. Okay, first let's talk about the primary key. What is primary key? We already know these things, but sometimes it happens these basic things you don't remember. That's why I am creating a video of it so that you can watch before your interview or before any concept. That's why. Primary key is a unique ID for no duplicates, the part of the table. For example, we have given a table which containing a ID. Then ID should be duplicated, even not should be null of any of the value. Okay, and this is clear to everyone. It is not duplicated. Second one is this is the part of the table. And if we talk about foreign key is a connects table. Okay, it is used for connecting, and we can say links to another table. Primary key. Suppose we have given one employee which we have employee ID and department ID. Okay. We have two columns. Another we have given this one is ID. Then this one. Okay. Department table we have a columns. ID. This table, and primary key of this table is a employee table is primary key is employee ID, and if here this department key will act as a foreign key for this employee table. That means using this department key we can connect these two tables, employee table and department key. Okay, and this is clear to everyone. What is foreign key? Foreign key is used to connect tables, and it is a link to another table. Okay, this is the link to this table. We can say this is the link to this table. Okay, and this is the primary key of its own table. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. First point is used to connect the tables and link the table primary key with the another table. Okay, and now we have okay, not null. What is not null? Not null. The column must have value. No empty is allowed. Not null means any value cannot be null. There should be any value. If we are defining value in a particular column, there should be value containing column. No null values allowed. Okay, no empty is allowed. I hope this is clear. Now we have a unique. Unique ensure values are different, allows one null. It is similar to primary key, but it's not a primary key. One null is allowed here. In unique, one null is allowed. Okay. One null is allowed in unique. And it's uniquely identify the rows, but it also contain null. We can say one null is allowed. This is the difference between unique and primary key. Okay, and fourth is check. Okay, ensure data meets condition. Check is a constraints using that we meet a condition, like if we are doing any voting system, that person should be greater than 18, right? So we define a condition for that. For that we use check. We can say if else condition we have. So that is related to something. Check condition. Ensure data meets condition or not. Okay. We have a default value if none is a provided. Default is a autofills value if none is provided. Suppose if any column we have not provided any value, then it will autofill. Okay. And constraint violation is a error when data breaks the rule. Suppose primary key should be unique and does not contain any null value. If we provided any duplication of the employee ID, it will throw an error. Okay. So this is the constraint violation. And default is it automatically provides a default value if we have not provided. And check is uh, particular condition is a meets or not. Okay. And referential integrity is a ensure relationship between table stay consistent. Okay. It ensure the relationship between the table and stay consistent. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone, and other topics we'll discuss in next video. For today, thank you so much for joining. We'll meet again in the next videos. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye.